Okay, so what we're going to be doing is getting our audio ready for our animation. The first thing you need to do, or what might be a good thing to do, is have the 4 tabs open. The first two we're going to be using for the first task will be your Google Drive, as well as a Google search where you can search Volcaroo. Volcaroo, I'm going to then go open the website, which is volcaroo.com. You're going to be recording any script that you wanted to include in your animation. You can do this all in one go. You can do it separately. It's up to you. If you do it separately, then you do not need to chop it up later on. If you do it all in one go, you will need to chop it up later on. However, you'll only need to worry about downloading and uploading one file. So what you're going to do is you're going to record your audio. It would help if you use a dedicated microphone or a headset with a dedicated microphone that does sort of pick up your voice in particular and leaves out any other background noises, or tries to anyway. But it would do it better than what your Chromebook would do. So you'd head over to Volcaroo, you'd hit record, you'd record your sound clip. Once using my microphone, let's allow it. And what that would do is that would record anything I am using or talking about at the moment. I've done that. I've stopped. I can play it if I wish and see how it sounds. But once I've done, what I will do is click on save and download. Okay, we'd want to download that. And if you did want to redo another one, you can do that as well. And as you can see, that would go into your download folder. I'm going to go to show in folder. We'll come back to that in a second. Any more you'd like to do, you can simply re-record, listen to it, and re-download. If you've got, let's say, 5 sound clips at the end of it, that would all pop up in your downloads folder like so. Now what you're going to need to do is that is on your Chromebook. We're going to actually need that on the PCs. So we need to find a way to get this one file from our Chromebooks onto the PCs, which is why we have Google Drive. And then what you'd simply do is grab your downloads, your downloaded audio clip, and simply drag that in to Google Drive like so. You'll get this uploading one item. And once that's done, you should get a green tick. So it's started to upload. It shouldn't usually take this long. But for some reason, it's taking a little bit longer than we expected. But anyway, once that's uploaded, that is in Google Drive. And when we come back to class, there we go, that's done. We can re-download that and put that into the software we will use to edit your audio for your animation. So that's that done. That's your anything you wanted to speak about on your animation. The next thing we need to think about is any sound effects we may want. Okay, so you may want to search some sounds, and once you search them up, you can actually preview it from here, like so. Okay, that's the audio clip. That's not me laughing. Anyway, what you can do is you can head over to that. Now, what I want you guys to do is I want you to actually get the URL for this. Okay, so you're going to click on this, copy, so that's Control and C. You're going to come back to the document which I will give you, which will be in Google Classroom. You can paste that. You can get the list of all the sounds that you want to use. You may want to search the sounds such as, let's say, Sonic. Let's see what comes up for Sonic. Unfortunately, you guys do not have login details for this. I do, so I can actually download them for you, but you just need a list of the links for me. Okay. Sonic the Hedgehog may have been better, but anyway, you may find something which you like. Ideally, think about the length of the sound clip. So this one, for example, is 12 seconds. This one's 4 seconds. This one over here, 44 seconds, which might be a little bit too long for anything you may want to create. But 2 seconds seems like a good time. Okay, and once you've got that list over for me, I want you to hand that in. And what I can do is I can actually head over and download all of these sound clips for you. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to head over to Vocalroo. You're going to record, download, drag it into your Google Drive. You're going to go over to Freesound. Think about any sound clips you may want, and I want you to copy the URL for me onto a separate document. That's all I want you guys to do for today's lesson. And when we come back after the Christmas break, we can start editing our sound clips, put it on top of our audio, on top of our animations, and we are done and ready to move on. Thank you very much, boys. I hope you all have a good break. Your parents certainly deserve it. Make sure you give them a good break and do not make it worse for them. Thank you very much.